when I am graphing lines in slope-intercept form, what I need to remember is that I have an M and a B. The B is my starting point, my y-intercept. That's the number where I'm going to start at on the y-axis. And then my M is my slope. And remember what we know about slope is it's rise over run. Okay, here we go. Here, my B, okay, this number that's over here not attached to the x is 4. That's my y-intercept. So I'm going to go on the y-axis, I'm going to go to 4. Make a point. Now, my slope is right here. In this case, my slope is negative. I know already that my line should be slanted down when I graph this, okay, so we can check that. In this case, it's negative 2/3. I'm going to write it, I'm going to put the negative up on the top. This is my rise over my run. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to rise negative 2. What does that look like? Well, if I rise, I go up, but if it's negative 2, I'm going to go down 2 and run 3. Run 3 to the right. It's positive 3. We go to the right. Okay, neatly make your line. Okay. Let's look at the next one. This one has a y-intercept of negative 5. I'm starting at negative 5 on the y-axis. Okay, now notice this slope is a whole number. What we do is we make it into a fraction. How do I make it into a fraction? 3 is the same as 3 divided by 1. So this is 3 over 1. Okay, so I'm going to rise 3 and run 1. So start here, rise 1, 2, 3, run 1. And in this case, I have space to actually do it again, so my graph is a little bit neater. Rise 3, run 1. Just nice to make another point to make your line nice and straight. Okay, now here, you might look and think, wait, this isn't y equals mx plus b, but it is y equals mx plus b. Look. There's no plus b written. What does that mean it is? It means it's 0. There's an invisible plus 0 here. So we're going to start our graph at 0. And then our slope is negative 3. We're going to make that negative 3 over 1. So I'm going to rise negative 3. I'm going to go down 3 and right 1. Down 3, right 1. Last one. This one, notice there's no x. Where did the x go? Here's where it went. This is y equals 0x minus 1. Right? The x is being multiplied by 0, therefore 0 times x just equals 0, and it's not written. So I'm going to start at my y-intercept of negative 1. And in this case, my slope is 0. Just like any other whole number, I can put it over 1. I can think of it like this, as rise over run. And say, oh, I'm going to rise 0, I'm not going to go up or down, and I'm going to run 1. So this line is going to be a horizontal line. You can also just remember that a slope of 0 is always going to be a horizontal line. Okay, so this is y equals negative 1. It's a horizontal line at a y value of negative 1.